Taurus, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have your reading for the month of November 2021. So let's see how the energies are going to play out for you in the month of November. This is for the Sun, Moon, Rising sign of Taurus. Okay, as always, I'll advise you to watch all your Sun, Moon, Rising sign videos to get a more clearer picture, as you'll have some or the other messages in each of those videos. Okay, I hope you're all fine, doing well wherever you are. Stay healthy and stay safe, my dears. Okay, too many cards. Let's shuffle once more. Remember, this is a general read, so take what resonates and leave what does not for somebody else. I want to take a moment to thank all of you for all your love and support to me and to the channel. I am so grateful to each and every one of you. Remember to please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Share my video on your social media. Help my channel grow. Help me reach out to as many as possible, because that's my mission in life, to reach out, to help and heal as many as I can. Also, I'll be very happy to do your personal reading in case you're interested. You'll find all my contact details in the description box below the video. You'll also find a link to my Facebook account where I post motivational and inspiring quotes each and every day. I welcome you to join me there. You'll also find a link to my other YouTube channel where I post spiritual and motivational videos. As always, you are welcome there also to connect with me. Having said that, let's jump into your reading, Taurus, to see how November is going to play out for you. Wow! You've drawn the blue moon. Believe in the impossible, Taurus. And this card, as a reader, let me tell you, comes out very rarely. It is the once in a blue moon, don't we say that? Once in a blue moon. So it's that rare. And it says believe in the impossible. Beautiful way to begin your reading. Now, the energy that I pick up from this card for you is, Taurus, a lot of you are dimming your light. You are not believing in the magnanimity of your life. Okay, each one of you is special, is unique and powerful. Each one of us is the divine's child, where abundance is our birthright, success and happiness and joy is our birthright. Okay, so nothing less than that is what you should be expecting. You need to believe that things are going to change and change for the best for you. Okay, so once you come into that energy and you don't limit yourself by thinking and dimming your light, that is when miracles happen in life, and they happen every day. Okay, so believe in the impossible. That's the way to go. Ooh, one of your impossibles that you're not believing in is right here. Door to value. And this is number 31, which works out to 4 in the numerology. Number 4 is all about stability. It's about security. It's about foundations. It's about celebrations. It's about graduation from one phase into another. From graduation, in education, graduation as in leveling up regarding a relationship. So if you're just met somebody, you may move in together, or you may get engaged, or you may get married, or if you're married, you may go in for a baby, or you have a baby, you may go in for another baby, or your child may grow up and leave home to go to the university. This is all about leveling up, and this says door to value, and it, can you see, it's just opening up. It's not completely open, and definitely there is money flying out here. There are gold coins flying out here. So there are 3 messages here that I get for you, Taurus. One, that your finances are going to improve. Okay, believe in that impossible. You may get that dream job, you may get that promotion this is unexpected. Okay, so you may get that promotion, you may get that pay rise, you may literally be told about some inheritance that you were not expecting. Somebody owed you money and they pay you back completely. You've applied for a loan and you get it. Each and every area of your life concerning money will flow in. Okay, this is the energy that is starting. Understand, it's just opening. Okay, so you will get into this energy as you move through November and go into December. Fantastic. The second message is that anything that you value and you've put your energy and your time and effort into is now going to show you rewards, is going to now be appreciating. Okay, as in growing, as in evolving. So any relationship, job, career, health, whichever area that you've put time, energy and effort into, now your efforts and your energy and your time will be valued there. Okay, and the third message is about you learning to value your life, you learning to value yourself. Okay, you've put yourself down and believed that this is the level, this is all that you can reach, that beyond this is not possible for you. No, now you're leveling up. Okay, so 3 wonderful messages for you, Taurus. I'm so happy. Again, you have I did mention you about unexpected, and you've drawn the card of surprise. And it is a number 31 again, which works out to 4, which is a confirmation to what I was saying. It's about stability, it's about security, about foundations, laying strong foundations for a brighter future, and about celebration, graduation, and that is unexpected surprise. Look for the unexpected today. Okay, so whenever you chance upon this reading, you be open to signs and synchronicities and symbols that the divine and the universe will be showing you through lyrics of a song, through a dialogue in a movie, or some conversation or discussion you have with somebody, or you overhear somebody's discussion and some epiphany you get, some idea that comes to you. Okay, which is a beautiful which helps you on your journey to bring in these beautiful impossible dreams coming true. Okay, lovely, Taurus. And you've drawn experiencing. Absolutely. Number 3 card again, which talks about strengthening of relationships, about community, about people coming together, you being appreciated. As I told you, you for some of you, you haven't been valued as much as you need to be valued, and you're coming into the energy where you will be celebrated, even like this. Okay, so celebrated, you'll be valued, you'll be appreciated. Okay, in any or every area of your life where you felt underappreciated. And ordinariness, this is what you thought, this is how life is going to be, and a typical routine and nothing beyond that. No unexpected beautiful surprises, no unexpected gains, and things not moving dramatically for you. No, you're coming out of this, it is falling right below the believe in the impossible, and you believe your life is ordinary. It is not. It's buckle up your shoes and put on your seat belts. Life is going to take you places now. Okay, you're coming into an energy where you'll be, wow, is this my life? And I just dreamt of this and I've got it. That is the energy you're coming. Time to let go of one side, time to take the leap of faith and look at your life in a manner where you can see where you started from, where you are today, and where you're being led. Okay, so let go of the past, stay in the present, and move towards the future, believing and trusting that it's going to be magnificent. Okay, and that is the message of these cards trying to to tell you that believe in the impossible. You are not ordinary. Your life is not ordinary. There are things which are more positive waiting for you, and you're going to slowly come into this phase where you will be appreciated, you will be valued, and most important, you will value yourself. I'm going to leave you with one final card to see if any archangels, angels, or ascended masters would like to come in, add to this message, or to give you a completely different message. So one final card for the beautiful Taurians, please. Alright, so let's see what you've got. Oh, you've drawn Joan of Arc card. This is all about strength, and she is saying voice of truth. Stand strong. Exactly what I said. Stand strong. Focus on your purpose, and it's not small. Your purpose is not small. Believe in the impossible. Release the fear of persecution and speak your truth. Okay, so the persecution here we are talking about, you haven't been heard, you haven't been appreciated, you haven't been valued. Continue being strong. Stand in your power, and you will get into the energy where you will start seeing people appreciating you, appreciating your voice, the truth that you have to share, and the value that you bring to the table. Love it for you, Taurus. I wish and pray that these energies work out for you soon in your life. Okay? I wish you all the very best. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and share my video on your social media. Help my channel grow. I'll see you soon. Namaste.